And there it goes, SpaceX rocket launch from Los Angeles, California, from my rooftop. This is going to be a spectacular launch. You can already see the contrail is super, super bright. I'll try to hold the camera as steady as I can. The last time we had a spectacular launch like this was a few years ago, and it made the national news. And there it goes. You can already see the contrail is super, super bright. As anticipated, this is one of the best rocket launches that you can have here in Southern California. A right after sunset launch. And looks like we had a separation right there. There is I can see the booster. You see those little puffs, that little dot in the middle of the screen? That's one of the separations that just took place. And then you see other little lights being detached from the main rocket. You see the two rocket boosters there? Or not rocket boosters, but the parts that have detached from the main rocket are those two little lights behind the big comet looking thing. Right now, San Diego should be getting a really good view of this rocket launch. The rockets always fly south towards San Diego over the ocean. And then you can see the contrail it left behind right there. All the way from Santa Barbara, California. Let me just get on my roof over here. And you can still see the rocket over there. Still very, very visible. I'm gonna see if I can try to attempt to locate the boosters. I don't think I'll be able to see them, but they're gonna be landing in a drone ship. I keep calling them the boosters. The stage 1 is what I mean. Yeah, I don't see them. Eventually they'll land in the drone ship out in Southern California and then head into the port of Los Angeles, be shipped in, and then you can still see the rocket over there, several hundred miles south of Los Angeles. Los Angeles is this Cape Canaveral of the West, if you want to call it that. Not Los Angeles, but Southern California. This is a fairly common occurrence here in Southern California. These are Falcon 9 rockets that SpaceX launches. Going a little faint, and I'm going to stop this coverage here momentarily. And there you have it. from my roof here in Los Angeles. A spectacular launch from Vandenberg Space Force Base. Thank you, SpaceX, for giving us this spectacular show tonight. And many, many, many more to come.